Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
Back in World War I, Canadian ace Billy Bishop said that a pilot's primary attribute should be his gunnery skills. And second to that would be the pilot's skill in flying the aircraft to the best of its design capabilities. But as aircraft evolved and aircraft systems became more and more complex, your role changes. And the delivery of your ordnance or dogfighting and gunnery skills actually becomes secondary to the proper management of this incredibly complex machine. There will be times when you are very stressed at trying to keep your aircraft flying, and understanding its systems is going to allow you to do that. You'll need to know how to employ the best engine settings for every condition. The aircraft must fly itself so that you can do things like navigate while you're wounded. Most settings are committed to memory, but this is not easy when we're flying so many varied aircraft. And if you're flying in VR, you cannot look down at your desk at any notes that you might have made. To help you manage your aircraft systems, IL-2 has Technochat on the right-hand side of the screen. Things like prop RPM, throttle settings, radiator settings, and over temperature warnings. For experienced pilots, like those who fly on tactical air war, Technochat may be turned off, which means you need to be able to instantly recall the engine parameters. So check this out. So in this video, we're going to look at taking this valuable information and showing you how to put it into your cockpit. In IL-2, it's pretty simple. We use the same method that you would use to download a custom skin. The only difference is we go to a different tab, the tab on the right. Clicking on it brings up our sweetheart's photo, which we can see in the cockpit. Of course, you can upload photos of anyone that's really important to you, but we're going to replace that photo with the data sheet. IL-2's skin files are created on a program called Gimp, which can be downloaded here. These are saved as DDS files, so you'll create something that looks like this. Now, this is definitely not my area of expertise, but once you've created that file, and there are lots of tutorials out there that can help you do that, then I can tell you the next step. For sending information back and forth, our Squadron Op4 uses a dedicated Dropbox. One of our members, Big Ginger, created all these photo files for us. Another benefit of belonging to a great squadron. So we download the zip file, and there are all the files. Now we need to extract it, and it's very important that we extract it to the correct place. And that location is Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, IL-2, Data, Graphics, Planes. Select. And extract. So because I'm just showing you this, I've done it once before, so we have to replace the file that's there already. Now let's just open up one of those aircraft, and the file will now show us that the cockpit photo is there. There's no need to try to open the program in here, we just go straight back to IL-2. So choose your aircraft, right hand screen, it's photo or no photo, so choose photo and accept, and that's it. Okay guys, thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.